Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel, dear viewers. Today I will talk about Suzuki Honda Yamaha motocross universal parts. It's 160 mm to 70 mm carbon fiber front fork guard rear cover for KTM, Sherco, Beta, Kawasaki, Suzuki, Honda, Yamaha motors or universal parts. Customers has rated it as 4.9 and there are 523 reviews and it has been sold up above 33,000. It's the product you can see here. It's really very reliable, durable and long lasting. The size has been told here. It's 50 millimeter 50 millimeter wide and 248 millimeter long. You can use it in your motorbike, in the handle or in the dumbbell. It will keep your motorcycle new and it will remove dust and keep safe from the dust. It's really very strong, energetic and durable and glassy. So if you want to see details about the product or want to buy the product, please click on the link below. I'm promoting the AliExpress's product. It's really good and in some regions it's for free shipping, but in the US it will cost 2.99 for shipping and return refund policy. There is refund policy, security policy. So there are many customer reviews that has been shown here. The good one customer has said that good quality fits perfectly on my fork, real carbon and easy to install. A little tip for the lower part of your fork: check the size above because I took the right size and ended up with the lower tubes a bit short, which doesn't bother me at all. Here are the many reviews you can see to before you buy it. Uh, Specifications or the frame protection or the high concern chemical. There is no high concern chemical. Is item is one gram 1.01 gram. Its weight is 6 centimeter, length of 7 centimeter. Uh, the item guides and documents. This description I've already told you. The specifications, color, the color you will get the real color as pictures, material made of articraft grade durable dry carbon fiber, durable and luxury color available black. Length, there are many lengths here. Diameter 45 to 52 millimeter. Weight 60 gram to 110 gram. Here the fixer you can see. It's looking so gorgeous. The product parameter I've already told it. This is the installed fork. So I think it will be better for your motorbike. Thank you. Thank you for watching the videos.